Alright y'all, so you have made it to the colorful brows tutorial. I want to give y'all a brow tutorial, just my regular brows, but I just felt like a colorful brow tutorial would be perfect. I got inspired by Beats by Deb. I'm like, okay girl, I never tried to do it this way, but let me do it this way. So this is definitely inspired by her. She didn't do these color brows, but I definitely want to try something like similar, like purple, like just any color brows. Like you can do so many colors. Okay, you can do red, pink, blue, you can do rainbow, you can do just any color brows. Okay, and I just want to show y'all who I got inspired by to do this look. So yeah, if y'all want to see how I achieve these colorful brows and how y'all get y'all brows colorful like this, then please keep on watching.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Okay, y'all seen that fat intro. These are my brows before, and I'm about to show you how to get these colorful brows. So first off, I want to take my powder from Nourvessier, and this is in the shade Honey. I'm just going to coat my brows with this because I do not like oily brows. I will say this so many times when it comes to brows. I always pat my brows. You don't have to set them, because I did set them prior to actually putting the powder on my brows with Benefit Brow Gel. And then when I'm doing this, patting the excess powder off my brows because you don't want that there. Now, Beats by Deb had a tutorial on Instagram, and I was like, yes, girl, these color brows with this hair is giving me life. So I had to put this in my own hands and go ahead and try it with the blank canvas base. She used blank canvas base, and she just basically sketched out her brows with blank canvas base and put the color on top. So this is like so easy, like easy peasy. Okay, you can honestly do this without the base, but I feel like the base will make the colors more vibrant, and then you're sketching out the brows with something almost like a dip brow pomade. So I am taking this brush. This is an angle brush from Bedelium Tools. It's from their triangle collection, and I told y'all about these brushes. I love these brushes. Okay, I love how thin that brush is. It is just really shaping my brows the way that I wanted to. So you need a good liner brush and some Plouise blank canvas, or you can get a white base, honestly, too, and put the colors on. That probably will pop way more too because it's white. But yeah, I'm just sketching my brows out. I'm filling them in basically the way that I will fill my brows in naturally. And in the front, you'll see me do a flick up method, whereas I want the hairs more natural towards the front. So I didn't really coat all of the hairs with this blank canvas base. I tried to do it, but in most of my pictures, you'll see the black hair kind of see through. So if you want it all to be coated, make sure you cover it all with blank canvas base. And yeah, y'all, that is it. Well, technically, that's not it, okay? So I'm just going to show you how my brows look right now. This is how they look. I do flicker in the front to kind of like take some of that off. And yeah, so you have one side done, and I did the other side off camera. Now I'm going to choose the colors that I want. I'm going for a more gradient effect brow. So you can choose one color, you can choose two colors. It's just all personal preference. It's just, you have to bring your creative side out. I'm thinking that constantly in my head. Like, I used to just think of wild colors just to pick and wild things to do. Like, but I'm like trying to gradually get it back, y'all. Like, I'm coming back into things. And I'm trying to get my creative juices back. Okay, I just need to get into my flow. Okay, so I don't know what made me think of this. Like, I don't know if anybody has done this combo or method before, or it to go with the look. I don't know. I just like, okay, let me just do this because I just wanted something different. I just picked purple, blue, light blue, and pink. It's a light pink though, or like you could say like a fuchsia or like a light fuchsia, because it wasn't really dark, and it's like in between. So what you want to do though is you want to place the colors on top of that blank canvas base that you fit in with your brows, but you want to make sure every color is merged into each other. I don't care, like, do not stop at a color. merge that color into each other, just like when you blending, merge those colors into each other. But if you purposely want to do that and you want people to see where you place each color, then you can. But honestly, don't do that. In the front, I do this flicker motion upwards just to mimic my natural brows. You don't have to do that as well. Just place it on there and you'll be fine. But me, I'm just doing what I normally do with my brows. And that's how I did it. And I also went inside the pink with the blue to get a gradient effect, y'all. This is a gradient brow. It's like 3 eyeshadows. It's like you can do whatever you want. Makeup is art, and at the end of the day, you could just take it off. Oh, I'm so happy that I'm getting back because it's just letting out my creative flow, okay? And I am loving every bit of it. I am taking my MAC NC45 concealer mixed with a little bit of Tin Sand. I like how I'm doing this brow bone highlight where I do a lighter concealer towards the brow bone end, and then in the front I just go in with strictly NC45, which is way darker than what I use on the brow bone area. And then I'm taking my 252S MAC brush, and I'm also taking my 142 concealer buffer brush to pat this out. As far as brows, concealing them or sculpting them, y'all know how that goes. I just sculpt them with the 252S MAC brush, and then at the top the 212 MAC brush. And yeah, that is all, y'all. That is simply all you have to do to get these colorful brows. And I want to see some of you all's colorful brows. I want to see the colors that you come up with, the crazy designs that you put in your brows. Like, I just want to see it all. Like, it's so creative, and it just gives me inspiration from other people because I was inspired, okay? So I want to see what y'all come up with. Like, if y'all do a design of y'all brows, like some kind of artwork, something. So let me know if y'all try these color brows. And yeah, y'all, I hope that y'all enjoyed. Definitely look forward to this makeup tutorial because it will be up after this. And I'll see you dolls on my next tutorial. Alright, y'all, so y'all have made it to the end of the colorful brow tutorial. Did y'all learn something new? Because I definitely did when I seen her do this tutorial on Instagram, y'all. I was like, okay, like, yes, I'm getting inspired. Let me go do these brows because baby, these brows is giving. I was like, these brows giving. I knew how to do colorful brows, though I just didn't think of it the way that she did it. So I'm like, baby, let me do these brows, okay? I need to do them. I did back in the day, like not back in the day, but maybe 2-3 years ago, I did a Pride look, and my Pride eyebrows were colorful, and I did those with like these liquid liners that I got from Danessa Myrick, and I did it that way. It's just a variety of ways that you could do your brows, but this seems like more of an easier way, and the way that she did it seems so easy, so clean. Like, it's really easy to do. So I'm like, yeah, let me try it this way. And it actually, I like it this way. But let me tell y'all, that blank canvas base is popping from Plouise. And I know I'm talking too fast. I always talk fast, especially when I'm sleepy. I just talk really fast. So forgive me, y'all, if y'all not hearing everything that I'm saying. But I love the Plouise base blank canvas. It is so bomb, y'all. That base is bomb. It just works for anything. You can probably even use it for your lips. Who knows? But yeah, it's so universal. But yeah, y'all, I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you down on the makeup tutorial if you haven't watched it.